Oh, oh. There we go. Come on, come on. Take it, take it, take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Fish on! Oh yeah, fish on. I'm just gonna do it for you guys. So you guys can get a good laugh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Connor, your YouTube fisherman, back here on a beautiful Florida morning again before the heat goes crazy. It was 118 heat index on Monday. Unreal. Yes, summertime, it gets crazy. So we're on the water super early. We're gonna get out early. I'm here with Russell from Tarpon Fishing, my buddy. We're gonna do some fishing and we're gonna target actually tarpon today. We got some finger mullets. They didn't have bigger mullets. He did get some from the rigs. He got some finger mullet. He gave me some as well, so we could start bright and early to hit the target species, which is tarpon. Of course, we're gonna, you know, try to catch a snook, trout, redfish, jacks, whatever bites. Also, we're gonna do a little friendly competition today. Whoever catches the first fish, biggest fish, that's what we're gonna do. Let's see how it goes. That's why I'm waiting. I'm not fishing yet. I'm just waiting for him to put his kayak out. Let's see. But that's the little friendly competition we're gonna have today. First fish and the biggest fish of today. And after we fish, actually, I'm gonna do my vlog with him. He's gonna be my guest for the vlog today. We're gonna go somewhere, probably restaurant, just get some AC from the heat, get away, and talk about all you guys wanna know. We're gonna talk about the ICAST 2025, all the new products came out, all the new kayaks they introduced, especially the Flux Jet, the Jet kayak. We're gonna talk all about it, and it's gonna be just like a natural conversation between two of us while we're eating. We're gonna have the camera and just record, and we're gonna talk about what we bring with us while we're fishing, fishing community, social media, a lot of topics. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a separate video from this actual fishing video, so stay tuned. I'm gonna post that for you guys. Hopefully it's gonna be a cool one. Don't miss that one out. But I'm waiting for him. As soon as he comes here, let's see who catches the first fish and the biggest fish. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I have Russell with me, Tarpon Fishing. Good morning, my brother. He got the Newport NK 180 Pro. Look at him. Woo woo. Choo choo, baby. I'm on top speed right now with my Minn Kota 45-pound thrust, speed 10, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, and he's at what?
Giving it 100 now.
Okay, he is at 100% now. Tell me your speed. What speed you have?
5.1.
Whoo, mama. So he's getting 5.1 miles an hour with his hobby kayak with the Newport NK 180 Pro. Oh yeah, he's kicking my butt. I'm struggling at 3.6 max, 3.7 with speed 10. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get that NK 300. That's 3 horsepower. And that's gonna give me top speed of 7 miles an hour easy. I'm okay with 6, but hey, this is just for to go to A to B. You know, like right now we want to be on the channel, and I'm just like a turtle, you know, wasting time. With the NK 300, I don't have to waste time. I'll be on my spot right away. Well, I'm gonna double the speed basically, so look at him go. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna use we got some live finger mullets. Well, he got some and he shared with me, so I appreciate that, Russell. And we're gonna do the same thing We're gonna cast it together, see who catches the first fish and the biggest fish. That's our little friendly competition today. Let's see how it goes. And the catfish, puffer fish doesn't count. Oh man, that's gonna be funny. Oh yeah, he already got the live mullet. Look at him, he's getting ready. Let me get ready too, so we could throw it at the same time. All right guys, let's go. Finger mullet, live. I get a little small split shot. Russell went on the left side, I'm on the right side. I got 20-pound braid. I think that's 40-pound mono. I have my Shakespeare ugly stick medium, 5000 Shimano. And giddy up. We're gonna go ahead and cast. Let me slow down. So many sharks on the channel, it's crazy. I mean, I see sharks all the time, but I never seen this many sharks before. Probably it's a mating season or Sebastian River by Sebastian Inlet. Home of big fish, big snook, big redfish. Ooh. Oh baby, they're rolling around. Do they take it? No. Oh! Oh, fish on! What I got? Ooh! What do I have? Please don't tell me sail cat. Fish on, baby! I don't know what it is, but I think it's a sail cat. Ah, mother Santo, it doesn't count. Man, you could tell from the way they hit too. Super annoying, you slimy bastard. Ah, come on, man, really? God, I hate you, bro. I really hate you. Alright, we don't count the sail cat, we said. Oh, man, you know, maybe I'm not gonna use the split shot. Hold on. That's a big one too. Hold on, buddy, hold on. Gotta make sure I'm... Yeah, I know. There we go. Slimy bastard. Alright, now we need tarpon. I'm gonna take the split shot out. Yeah, no way. I'm not doing that. It gets too heavy, goes down. And down there is the stupid catfish and sail cat. Look at that slime. Jesus, man. Nasty, nasty creature. Alright, let's put another one. And oh yeah, they're rolling, baby. Rock and rolling. Alright, that's a good size. Finger mullet. The problem with these, they die quick. So yeah, I'm just gonna free line from the tail. There you go. There we go. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, these are... I think there are some jacks here. Look, school of jacks. Jacks or... Oh man. Yeah, I gotta allow this. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. All around. All around. I think they're jacks. There's always big jacks here. Look, another school coming. Another school's coming. Let it go down. Look, another school there. Dude, I think there are a bunch of jacks, school of jacks coming towards you, right there. Right behind you.
Right there?
Yeah, coming right at you. Like high speed. Let me cast there. Let it go down. Come on. Right now they're behind you. Right now they're coming. Oh.
Got some right here too.
Yeah, a bunch. My goodness, a big school. I think they're jacks. Oh man. Come on, come on. Look at him, look at him. Come on, eat it. Eat it. I hope they're not sail cats. I mean, I don't see sail cats swimming that high, that fast in schools. They usually go slower. Come on. You should be eating there right now. What the hell? Come on. Guys, a lot of sharks here. Oh. Oh, oh. There we go. Come on, come on. Take it, take it, take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Fish on! What do we got? What do we have? Please don't tell me another sail cat. Yeah, it fights like one. Ah, really, dude? Wow. Okay. Ah, annoying. Super annoying. Bro. That's 2 sail cat so far. Which is super annoying. You slimy bastard. Oh. Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. Thank you for that. Ah, annoying. Alright, I'm gonna get him off the hook. And the tarpon's just rolling and not eating. Man. Asshole. Crazy. Like sharks, so many sharks today. Look, 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 look. Look at the tail. Look right there. I see so many. I never seen this many sharks before. Whoa! Did you guys see that? 2 back to back. Wow. And those are good sized tarpon. So I don't know what else to throw. Look, another one jump right there. Look, I'm gonna cast it right in front of her. Boom, right there. On top of his head. Live mullet. And no taker. Only the slimy sail cat.
Those big schools of fish, they are sail cat, I saw.
I know, I saw too.
Crazy.
So many of them. Oh, fish on. Fish on! Another sail cat. Number 3. Man, they were on top. Sail cat number 3. Woohoo! Slimy bastard. Ah, super annoying, dude. Shh. Stop. Alright, yeah, we definitely change of plan. Anyone's on the middle of the channel, they're not hungry, they're just rolling. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the docks over there on the other side of the bridge, because last time that's where I caught the tarpon, underneath that piling over there right after the bridge, right on the dock, and the fish was on, the tarpon was on. There we go. Super annoying. So yeah, plan B, we're going back there. The ones in the middle rolling, they're not eating. I literally tossed them into his mouth and they don't eat it. He bit that one. No bueno. See you, buddy. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. So let's hit there. Let's speed up. And on the way, I'm gonna toss my lures. I just don't like fishing live bait, man. I don't know what it is. But yeah, see all those rolling tarpons? They're just rolling. They're not eating. And the ones right there by the docks, they eating because they're hunting. They're on the docks, right? So that's the idea. That's why I cut the tarpon on the left side, the dock. So let's see. But these tarpons that you guys see, a million of them rolling, they're not biting. Oh, that was a good bite. Missed it. You see that? He missed it. See, that's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for, guys. That big blow up. Like I said, almost like a top water. Ooh, that was a good one. Whatever it was. Is it still there? Maybe there. Let's see. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it. See that? That was a big one right there. Oh, big blow up. I think I hit him on the head. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, man. Really? See if I can get him again. But it was definitely a snook there, right underneath that boat. Oh, man. Alright guys, a little lunch, 2 boiled eggs. Got my water with the electrolytes. It's hot. Got the umbrella. Going over there to get some bait. Gonna throw my cast net for the first time, so let's see if the mullet schools are there. We're gonna cast, see how I do, if I catch any mullet, because we need live bait, man. I spooked 2-3 snook there, big ones underneath the docks, but nope, they're just getting spooked. I'm literally casting them everywhere underneath nice, but they don't bite. So let's see, maybe with the live mullet it'll work. So let me have my lunch, meet you guys there. 2 weeks ago there were millions of mullets here. Now there's not even one mullet I see. I mean tons. It was all over here by the bridge. Like they were hitting my kayak, like literally. And now there's nothing. Look at this. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the other bridge all the way down, work the docks with the artificial, since we don't have any more live. Russell's coming with his NK 180 Pro. Ooh, what is that? A whole bunch of sharks around here. But yeah, mullets were all here. I mean, tons of them. They probably made their way to the inlet and to the ocean side. I'm still gonna check it though, because I really want to throw that cast net. But in the meantime, I'll cast the wood shrimp and LBN mullet underneath the docks and see if we can catch something. Oh! Fish on! I got a micro snook. Alright, wood shrimp. We're on board. Micro snook. I'll take it. Alright, here he goes. Look at that. Hell yeah. I don't mind. There. I just saw one. And that was a snook. Come on, man. Get it. Get it. Oh, see? They're huge snook right there, but they're not eating. And I'm throwing the NLBN. Look, 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 look. They're chasing the bait already. Are you kidding me, man? Well, here he goes. I found a little spot. I see a couple, but I'm just gonna do it for you guys, so you guys can get a good laugh. Alright, so there's the top, and then I hold this loop. I put one of the loops on this little hook. It comes with the cast net right there, and then I open. Okay. Shit. What the hell was that? I have no idea what that was. That was a French bread. Oh my god. That was hilarious. It's supposed to be like not tangled. Oh, I think they're supposed to be here, like that. Like, oh, hold on. Oh no, hold on. It's supposed to go there. Put it here. The hook. My god, that was horrible. Jesus, I suck at this. Oh my god. Alright, what am I doing wrong? I got that. This supposed to be up or down? Probably down, right? Oh no, this supposed to be up. Yeah. Okay, this goes up. And then half, hold it, put this here on the hook, open. Come on, pancake. Oh my god. Wow. I suck. Holy crap. Never mind. I need to study this thing. Wow. That was hilarious. Okay, that didn't work. I guess I need to really practice. Not in this heat. So, alright guys, comment below. What am I doing wrong? It's the first time I throw a cast net. Wow. I don't know why I bought it. I use artificial. But geez. Oh man. I guess I need to watch more YouTube videos. When I first bought it in 2020, I did a video, and wow, it was on the land right behind my house, and it was fine. Like I cast it and it was fine. It was a pancake. Oh, wow. Okay, you guys definitely can laugh, make fun of me, comment below. That sucked. Oh yeah, fish on. Was a jack? Oh, it came out of that. I knew there was something under there. Yes. Oh, look at that mangrove snapper. Oh, it's a big boy. That's a big boy. Yes. Thank you. Oh man, on a mullet. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper all day long. He came right out of that. Oh man, duck. Oh, he'd swallow that. He wasn't going nowhere. Oh wow, okay. Yes, baby. Oh man, oh yeah. Woo, mama. What do we got here? What do we have here? We have 11 and a half, almost 12 inch. 11 and a half. Beautiful mangrove snapper. Nice, man. I'm gonna let him go. That's a nice chunky one, but only one. There you go, buddy. Go get big. I don't want to keep fish. Oh man. Oh, that's the second mangrove snapper, and that's a keeper one. 11 and a half. Yes. Oh, so we didn't get skunk. And I just talked to Russell. He couldn't get nothing to the boat. Couple hits with the Snook, but couldn't get him to the boat. So that's it, man. Looks like so far friendly competition. I got the first fish and the biggest fish. The micro Snook was probably what, 17, 18, and this mangrove snapper keeper mangrove snapper, baby. 11 and a half, almost 12 incher. A couple more ducks. See the clouds forming. Time to get back and start our vlog. Go somewhere with AC. Whew. But what a grind, guys. Summertime fishing, definitely, it's not easy. But hey, I love it. I'll take this any day. Summer, fall, winter, just to being out here, it's a blessing. So I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I want to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's my goal. So help me out, smash that subscribe button. I'm almost 40,000, so let's do it. Let's do it together. But a couple more ducks, See if I can catch a nice snook. Oh man. Another snook. Micro snook right there. Oh man. Yeah, but I don't want no micro snook, guys. The big ones definitely not biting. So that is the theme. It is super hot. A couple more ducks. Whew. My goodness, guys, it is burning hot, and I see the clouds forming, as you can see right there. That's my cue. I want to stay longer since I have that nice Minn Kota with only 3 miles an hour. So I need to definitely stay ahead of weather, go back to boat ramp earlier. But I can't wait to get the Newport NK 300 with the 3 horsepower, 6 miles an hour, maybe 7 top speed. That's gonna be perfect, double my speed. Man, I need to learn how to cast the net. Dude, that was horrible. I was expecting like some kind of half pancake or half moon. That was like a French bread, like straight, not even nothing open. Oh my god. Well, I never throw it before, you know, so I always use artificial lures, but it is just funny, you know. Shame on me, I should learn. But I'm gonna go ahead and practice, see if I can get it done. Stay tuned. Oh my god. But I'm gonna hit the boat ramp. Russell didn't really catch anything, couldn't bring anything to the kayak. He got a couple good hits, missed them, came off the hook. But for me, just a couple micro snooks, probably I think 18-inch the biggest, couple mangrove snappers, 11.5 the biggest, 3 sail cats, 1 catfish, and I'm gonna call it a day. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. We try to catch a tarpon, but they're not biting. They are not biting, unfortunately. That's how it goes, you know. When they're rolling in the middle of the day, they don't want to eat. We even tried a live mullet, finger mullet. I had some big ones, nothing. The only thing eating those was the slimy sail cat, those bastards. But all in all, great day. Always great to be out fishing. Catching is the bonus. We're gonna come out, have a couple beer, and then sit down somewhere. I'm gonna do my vlog with him, talk about, you know, ICAST 2025, fishing, anything fishing related. We're just gonna chat, natural, talking to each other, and I'm gonna capture that. So stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be a separate one. But thanks for tuning again. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys on the next one. Tight line, everyone.